Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CS with Rahul. Guys, in today's video I am going to cover one other important question related to your interview aspects, and this we will solve relate with the Java 8 stream API. Today's question is we have to count the vowel and consonant. Means you will be having one string like we are having one string CS with Rahul, and here with this string we need to find out that this particular string is contains how many vowels and how many consonants. Guys, too many questions I have already covered in this series, so you can, if you have already watched, so the same kind of concepts we are going to do. So my request is, first just pause the video and try to think and create it, that how can you do it. If you create before without watching the video, then comment that you have created before the video. Okay, so this will help you to think critically, and this type of questions you can think that how can you apply those methods and how can you apply Java 8 stream API to solve this. So without delay, let's get started. So guys, first of all, what I am going to do here, I am just creating one string. I have already created one class which is vowel consonant count. This class I have created. Here I am creating another string which will contain my CS with Rahul. Some of the letters I am keeping in the small case, some of the letter I am keeping in the lower case. That doesn't matter. We have to count the vowel and consonant. Okay. After that, first of all, we will think that how can we solve this question. So let me tell you that we have some number of vowels with us like A, E, I, O, U. Okay, we are having A, and we are having A, E, I, O, and U. Okay, this we are already having. And in the same manner, if your string will be there like A, capital E, capital I, capital U, capital O. So this we already know that there are five vowels, right? So what can we do with this? We can preset these vowels, right? So where we can preset, so that it if it would be duplicate also, it will take the single element. So we are going to take it in a set. Which type of set? Character type set. I am taking it. Here I am just providing like this is vowel, vowels. Okay, and the set dot of method already we have, and here I am just pasting those vowels. So now your vowel has created. Why I am using this set? Because this vowel set is going to implement in our logic that how can we do this. Okay, so first of all, we have the strings. In the previous videos also I have used one stream method, that is chars, string dot chars, which is returning what? Which is returning the whatever chars, which is returning the int stream. Okay, what it is returning? It is returning the int stream. So after int stream, our task, as previously also I have covered, our task is to convert it to the array first, character first. So how can we convert it? So we can convert it through the map dot of object. Map to object, we can use it here, and by one character. Okay, in the map dot object, whatever we will provide one by one, it will be what? It will be converted to the characters. Okay, it will be converted to the characters. After that means C we are taking, S we are taking inside the stream, W, I, space, whatever is there. So here it would be implemented. After that, what we have to do? After that, we need to filter it out. Okay, so because we are counting, okay, because we are counting, so what we have to do? we have to find out a particular character is this vowel or not. Okay, once it is true, then we are going to count. So why we have created the sets here? Because set is having one method which is contains. In set we are having contains method. If a particular character is contained by this set, it will return true. That's why we are taking it. Okay, after that this will also return a stream, and after that we will count it, right? By the count method, this is what, this is not intermediate method, this is terminal method, terminated method. Okay, two type of methods are there in the Java. So we are, what we are doing, I am storing it into the vowel count. Okay, so now vowel count has been done. First what I did, I have converted it to the int stream by the chars method of the string. Then I have converted to the characters. Then by the contains method, what I am doing here, by the contains method, it returns true if this set contains the specific element which we are coming through the int, coming through the stream. So one by one, C is coming, false. S is coming, false. Then space is coming, false. W is coming, false. I is coming, true. Means it will be counted, right? So in this manner we are going to do this. Okay. So let me print it, guys, here. Sys.out. I hope till now you are clear. In the same manner you have to find out the consonant. So after that you need to total vowels. Let me put it vowel count. So what your task is, you have to run it first, we'll see the output, and after that you have to apply the approach for the consonant. So total 3 vowels are there, like I is there, A is there, U is there. If I'll make this U as a capital U, then we'll see what will happen. It is counting or not. Definitely it will count because already we have provided in the set. Okay, so the output would never be changed. Now what is our task? Our task is to find the consonants. Okay, so guys, how can you perform this, right? First pause this video and try to do it yourself. And I request you, if you still has not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe, the hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon. So this kind of question you will find out in my this series. Slowly I will start another playlist also. Okay, so think, for the vowel we called the vowels dot contains method. If, because in this approach, if true is coming, then it is counting. Means if false will coming, then we have to count. But what we need to keep in mind, that we don't need to count the spaces or any spatial character, because that is not what, that is not consonant, that we have to do. So in the filter, a bit logic we have to do implement, right? So we will see that how can we perform that operation also. So let me create the consonant count. Here I am creating. So the same task would be there. Chars we need to call it. After the chars, what we need to do? After the chars, I need to do the map to object. In map to object, what I'll take? One by one character I'll take from the string int stream, and I'll make it to the character. I'll convert it to the character, right? After that, what we need to do? After that, we need to apply the filter. But here this time, our first task, we have two conditions in the consonant. First condition is the character should not be what? The character should not be spatial characters, means it should be letter. Okay, so one by one character I will take, and in character class, character dot is letter. We have in character class one method which is letter. We will provide this C. This C is letter or not. If it is true, if it is letter, then what we need to check? We need to check vowels dot contains, and we will provide what? We will provide C. But if it is C, then it will return the true. Then we will implement not. Okay, we will implement here not. So what it will do? First it will check the letter, is letter like C. First character in the CS with Rahul is C. Yes, definitely it is letter. And after that, what is that? After that, this contains C. So not contains. Not contains means we have to count it. It will return false. So we will make it as a true. Right? Once it will be true, then means every time for the false we are making true. To what? To do count operation. Right? So in this manner we will do it. I hope guys you are clear with this logic, because in very simple way I told that step by step how we can do this. Total consonant, let me count it, consonant here. So save it, run as Java application and see. Total 8 characters are there. Total how many characters are there? 8, 3, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. But 2 characters are spaces. So here it not counted the spaces. So I hope guys you are clear with this. You can take the screenshot of it to practice yourself. Right? Because as already I told, without practice you will never be familiar with the coding. Once you will do the practice, then only you will be familiar with the coding. Now your task is, here we have all here we have printed only the counts. Your task is to write the code to print the elements also, what elements are contained inside that you will comment it. If you have any doubt, then I will cover in the next video. Okay, if you can comment me, you can tell me that I should cover that thing also. So guys, if you like this video, please do hit the like button, share this video to your friends, comment if you have any doubt, and comment thanks if you like this video. Subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my updated video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep watching, keep coding.